हेलो एवरीवन ए वीडियो रे आज हमें 100 हिस्ट्री एमसीक्यू जेटा टॉपिक रहबो मुगल आर्किटेक्चर एंड पेंटिंग ड्यूरिंग द रीजन ऑफ अकबर जहांगीर एंड शाहजहां लो एमसीक्यू को डिस्कशन करबा। वीडियो टी कंप्लीटली देखिबे 100 एमसीक्यू करबा। तो यार पीडीएफ को डाउनलोड करबा पई टेलीग्राम ग्रुप रो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन रे रहिछि सेटु जाय जॉइन होई डाउनलोड करि परिबे। नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन रहबो 100 टा। प्रथम सेक्शन ले मुगल एम्पायर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 लु क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 जाए रहिबो। चलंतु प्रैक्टिस करबा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हु वाज द फाउंडर ऑफ द मुगल एम्पायर इन इंडिया? तो करेक्ट आंसर है जिवो बाबर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, इन व्हिच बैटल डिड बाबर डिफीट इब्राहिम लोदी इन 1526? तो करेक्ट आंसर है जिवो बैटल ऑफ पानीपत। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, हुमायून वाज डिफीटेड बाय शेर शाह सूरी इन व्हिच बैटल? तो करेक्ट आंसर है जिवो बैटल ऑफ कन्नौज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, Akbar's policy of Sulhi-Kul aimed at? The correct answer is religious tolerance. Question number 5, who was known as Jinda Pir? The correct answer is Aurangzeb. Question number 6, the Din-e-Ilahi was introduced by which Mughal ruler? The correct answer is Akbar. The famous battle of Halodi Ghati 1576 रे जोटा हेतला was fought between? The right answer is Akbar and Maharana Pratap. Jahangir was the son of which Mughal ruler? The correct answer is Akbar. Who was the architect of Fatehpur Sikri? The correct answer is Akbar. The Peacock throne was built during the reign of? The right answer is Shahjahan. Question number 11. The Mughal ruler who wrote his autobiography Tujki-e-Baburi was? The correct answer is Babur. Question number 12. The golden age of Mughal architecture is associated with? The correct answer is Shahjahan. Which Mughal ruler transferred the capital from Agra to Delhi? The correct answer is Shahjahan. Aurangzeb reimposed which tax abolished by Akbar? The correct answer is jizya tax. Question number 15. The battle of Khanwa जोटा कि 1527 रे होइतिला कहा कहा मध्य होइतिला? तो राइट आंसर इज राणा संगा। बाबर एवं राणा संगा मध्य होइतिला। क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. The Buland Darwaza at Fatehpur Sikri was built to commemorate which victory? The right answer is option number A, Akbar's victory over Gujarat. The Mughal ruler who captured Kandahar from the Persian was? The right answer is Akbar. Who among the following was known as Prince of Builders? The correct answer is Shah Jahan. Which Mughal ruler imposed his own father Shah Jahan? The right answer is Aurangzeb. The last Mughal emperor of India was, the correct answer is Bahadur Shah II. এই ସେକ୍ସନରେ ମୁଗଲ ଆର୍କିଟେକ୍ଚର ଏଣ୍ଡ ପେଣ୍ଟିଂର ଏମସିକ୍ୟୁ ଡିସ୍କସନ କରିବା ଯୋଉଟା କି 21 ନମ୍ବରରୁ 40 ନମ୍ବର ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ରହିବ। 21 ନମ୍ବର ପ୍ରଶ୍ନଟି ହେଉଛି which Mughal ruler built the Taj Mahal? The right answer is Shah Jahan. The Red Fort in Delhi was constructed by Shah Jahan. The Buland Darwaza at Fatehpur Sikri commemorate Akbar's victory over the Gujarat. Jahangir was especially famous for which type of painting? The right answer is option or B. The Shalimar Bagh in Kashmir was built by Jahangir. Who was the Mughal painter famous for illustrating the Akbarnama? The correct answer is option number C. The Diwan-e Khas at Red Fort is known for which famous inscription? The right answer is option number C. If there is a paradise on earth, it is here. Who built the Muti Masjid in Agra Fort? The right answer is Shah Jahan. Which Mughal emperor commissioned the painting Padshah-Nama? The correct answer is Shah Jahan. The Panch Mahal at Fatehpur Sikri was built by Akbar. एकतीस नंबर प्रश्न कहला Ustad Ahmad Lohori was the chief architect of Taj Mahal. Mughal painting reached their peak during whose reign? Jahangir. Which Mughal emperor built the Jama Masjid in Delhi? The correct answer is Shah Jahan. Hamzanama painting were commissioned by Akbar. The Mughal ruler who established a separate painting workshop was Akbar. The Itmad-ud-Dawla tomb in Agra is often called, the correct answer is Baby Taj. Mughal painting was greatly influenced by which type style? The correct answer is Persian and Indian. Aurangzeb is remembered in architecture mainly for building. The right answer is option or B. Which Mughal emperor built the tomb of Humayun in Delhi? The right answer is Akbar. The art of miniature painting in India reached the perfection under Jahangir under. तो ଏଇ ସେକ୍ସନରେ ମୁଗଲ ଆର୍କିଟେକ୍ଚର ଏଣ୍ଡ ପେଣ୍ଟିଂ ଅଣ୍ଡର ଆକବରଙ୍କର ଏମସିକ୍ୟୁ କୁ ଡିସ୍କସନ କରିବା। ଯୋଉ ଏମସିକ୍ୟୁ ଗୁଡିକ 41 ନମ୍ବରରୁ 60 ନମ୍ବର ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ରହିବ। କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ନମ୍ବର 41 Which city was founded by Akbar as his new capital in 1571 ମସିହାରେ? ତ କରେକ୍ଟ ଆନ୍ସର ହେଇଯିବ ଅପସନ ନମ୍ବର ବି ଫତେପୁର ସିକ୍ରି। क्वेश्चन नंबर 42 Which structure in Fatehpur Sikri is considered the highest gateway in India? The right answer is option number B Buland Darwaza. Which Mughal building was built by Akbar in memory of Sheikh Salim Chishti? The right answer is option number A Sheikh Salim Chishti's Dargah. Question number 44 Which place at Fatehpur Sikri was built for Akbar's Rajput queen? The correct answer is option number A Judabai's Palace. Question number 45 Which Mughal emperor built the Ibadat Khan at Fatehpur Sikri? The right answer is option number C Akbar. Question number 46 The Panch Mahal in Fatehpur Sikri is famous for its. The correct answer is option number A Question number 47 Akbar's architectural style was blend of. The correct answer is option number A Indian and Persian style. Who was the Persian architect employed by Akbar for Fatehpur Sikri? The correct answer is Mir Abdul Karim. Question number 49 Which Mughal structure at Fatehpur Sikri was known as the Hall of Public Audience? The correct answer is Diwan-e-Azam. Diwan-e-Am. The Mughal emperor who commissioned the illustrated manuscript Akbarnama was. The correct answer is option number C Akbar. Question number 51 Who was the famous court painter of Akbar known for his realistic portrait? The right answer is option number A Question number 52 Which Mughal painting project was the largest ever undertaken in Akbar's region? The correct answer is option number A Hamjanama. The theme of Akbar's painting were mainly drawn from. The right answer is option number A Hindu epics, Persian stories, daily life. Question number 54 Akbar's painting style is known for its. The right answer is option number A bold colors and naturalism. Question number 55 The hall of private audience at Fatehpur Sikri is called. The correct answer is Diwan-e-Khas. Question number 56 Which architectural feature was introduced essential by Akbar in his building? The correct answer is red sandstone. Question number 57 Which was Akbar's first architectural project after becoming emperor? The correct answer is Agra Fort. Question number 58. Who were the two Persian artists invited by Humayun later patronage by Akbar? The right answer is option number A. Mir Said Ali and Abdul Samad. Question number 59. Which type of arche were most commonly used in Akbar's architecture? The right answer is option number C. Horseshoe arch. Question number 60. Which Mughal queens Which Mughal queen's palace in Fatehpur Sikri is famous for blending Hindu and Islamic style? The correct answer is option number A. Morim Uz Jamin Judabai. এই ସେକ୍ସନରେ ମୁଗଲ ଆର୍କିଟେକ୍ଚର ଆଣ୍ଡ ପେଣ୍ଟିଂ ଜାହାଙ୍ଗୀରଙ୍କର ଏମସିକ୍ୟୁ ଡିସ୍କସନ କରିବା ଯୋଉଗୁଡ଼ିକ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ 61 ରୁ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ 80 ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ରହିବ। କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ନମ୍ବର 61 Which art from flourished the most under Jahangir's patronage? The right answer is option number B painting. The question number 62 Jahangir's region is often called the golden period of which Mughal art? The correct answer is option number B miniature painting. Question number 63 Which Mughal emperor had a deep love for naturalistic painting, especially flora and fauna? The correct answer is option number B Jahangir. Question number 64 Jahangir's autobiography Tujki-e Jahangiri gives detailed reference to which art form? The correct answer is painting. The famous Mughal painter Mansur, known for his animal painting, was patronized by whom? The right answer is Jahangir. Question number 66 Which Mughal emperor confirmed the title Nadir ul Asur by Wonder of the Age on painter Mansur? The right answer is option number B Jahangir. Question number 67 Who was the Mughal painter famous for realistic portrait during Jahangir's reign? The right answer is option number A Biswan Das. The Mughal painting style under Jahangir showed influence of which European technique? The correct answer is option number C liner perspectivity and shading. Question number 69 The Mughal emperor Jahangir was highly interested in which scientific art? The correct answer is option number A geological illustration. Who painted Jahangir's famous allegorical portrait with a glove and halo? The correct answer is option number A Abul Hasan. Question number 71 Which Mughal queen's tomb at Lahore is a fine example of Jahangir era architecture? The correct answer is Noor Jahan. The Iltudula tomb at Agra, composed by Noor Jahan, is notable by which feature? The correct answer is option number B. Jahangir built his own tomb at which place? The correct answer is option B Lahore. Which feature of Jahangir's tomb at Lahore is most remarkable? The correct answer is option number A absence of a dome. Jahangir's court painter of depicted which themes? The correct answer is option B, hunting scene and nature study. Which Mughal painting school became highly refined under Jahangir's patronage? The correct answer is option C, Agra school. Which Mughal painter excelled in portrait painting during Jahangir's rule? The correct answer is Bishon Das. Question number 78. Jahangir encouraged painter to study which aspect carefully. The correct answer is option number B, realistic depiction of nature. Which art historian called Jahangir's period the climax of Mughal painting? The correct answer is option number A. Which major Mughal architectural invention of Jahangir's period influenced Shah Jahan's building? The correct answer is option number B. तो এই ସେକ୍ସନରେ ମୁଗଲ ଆର୍କିଟେକ୍ଚର ଆଣ୍ଡ ପେଣ୍ଟିଂର ଶାହାଜାହାନଙ୍କ ଉପରେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ରହିବ। କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ନମ୍ବର 81 ରୁ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ନମ୍ବର 100 ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ। କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ନମ୍ବର 81, which Mughal emperor is called the engineer king for his architectural works? ତ କରେକ୍ଟ ଆନ୍ସର ହେଇଯିବ ଶାହାଜାହାନ। Question number 82. The Taj Mahal at Agra was built by Shah Jahan in memory of whom? The correct answer is Mumtaz Mahal. Question number 83. The construction of Taj Mahal was completed in which year? The correct answer is 1653 ମସିହାରେ। Which river flow beside the Taj Mahal? The correct answer is Jamuna. The Red Fort at Delhi built by Shah Jahan is also known as? The correct answer is Qala-i-Mubarak. Which famous mosque inside the Red Fort was built by Shah Jahan? The correct answer is Muti Masjid. The Jama Masjid at Delhi, built by Shah Jahan, is constructed mainly of? The right answer is red sandstone and marble. Which architectural style reached the zenith during Shah Jahan's reign? The correct answer is Mughal architecture. The peacock throne made during Shah Jahan's reign was originally placed in which place? The correct answer is Red Fort in Delhi. The Shalimar Garden at Lahore was led by which emperor? The right answer is Shah Jahan. Question number 91. Shah Jahan's reign is regarded as the golden age of Mughal art. The right answer is option number B, architecture. Question number 92. The Diwan-i-Khas was Red Fort Delhi had which famous inscription? The right answer is option number A. Question number 93. Shah Jahan commissioned the construction of which mosque in Lahore Fort? The right answer is option number A, Piral Mosque বা Moti Masjid. Question number 94. Which feature of Shah Jahan architecture distinguishes it for earlier Mughal buildings? The correct answer is option number B. Question number 95. The Shah Jahan Mosque built the Thatta বা Sindh is famous for its. The correct answer is option number B. Shahjahan's Mughal painting emphasized what aspect? The correct answer is option number A. Who was the chief architect of the Taj Mahal? The correct answer is option number B. Uchat Ahmad Lahori. The Shesh Mahal, the Palace of Mirrors in Lahore Fort was built by which emperor? The correct answer is Shah Jahan. Question number 99. The Rang Mahal in Delhi, Red Fort was used primarily for what purpose? The correct answer is Royal Women's Residence. Question number 100. Shah Jahan's architecture in some time described as what? The correct answer is option number B. Architecture of balance and refinement. The number of MCQ 100 discussion कले तो वीडियो भल लगे वीडियो को लाइक करिवो चैनल को नथिले चैनल सब्सक्राइब करिवो एमती सिलेबस वाइज वीडियो पाइबा पई यार पीडीएफ को डाउनलोड करबा टेलीग्राम ग्रुप रो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स तले रहिछि सेटु जाई जॉइन होई डाउनलोड करि परिबो।